Welcome back to Stack, peoples. Really appreciate your time. Let's go straight to it. Stack is a digital asset service provider. We strongly believe that stocks are eventually gonna get tokenized because that's where the future is. That's where the future is. That's where the future is going. That's where the trends are going. So today we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Shop. Shop, if you don't know what Shop is one of those service providers for e-commerce, shopping online, Shopify, and their indicator in the future, their token will be called Shop. And we're going to be doing some quick TA on Shop. Let's go ahead and add that to the screen. That is Shop right there on the screen. I'll go ahead and allow you guys to see better, so you don't forget about my beautiful face. Let's zoom in into the charts. This is basically what's going on with Shop, man. That thing has been crashing for months. You know, actually I have some position in Shop, by the way. Everything we do here is not financial advice, so it's all for entertainment, but we just hope that you guys enjoy it. But yeah, should I be buying Shop before the split, after the split? Who knows? I don't know. But let's go ahead and look at what the technical analysis are showing us. What are the numbers showing us? What are the trends showing us? Let's go ahead and dig into it. Right now, if you ask me, without even looking at any of the technical indicators, I will say I'll be super concerned with Shop at this moment, because we had a double bottom here, and usually a double bottom is a bullish movement, and it should at least make it up back up here somewhere around $489. But as you guys know, Shop, you know, and the markets, everything is bearish right now, so it had failed the double bottom and ended up at $401. But guess what? That is a triple top. A triple top? Ooh-wee. Triple top is bad news. That is extremely bearish. So, and as you can see, the candles right after that triple top has been bearish, and we might have the 3 dead scrolls coming up pretty soon here, where we have Shopify falling back down to the bottom, maybe get you a triple bottom, maybe a little sideways movement. The triple bottom is also a bullish movement, but right now the candles are looking super bearish. This is without the indicators, and this is before the split. So what happens after the split with an extremely volatile and bearish market? I could see why Shop is also considering a split, similar to what Amazon did. They have been crashing for months. You see that right there? That was a double bottom. That's what a double bottom is supposed to get you. Double bottom, go parabolic. Boom, that's what I'm talking about. But you had a double bottom here, and that sucker didn't go nowhere. The last time you had a triple bottom, it didn't even make it. But once you had a double top, or almost like a triple top, that's not a triple top here. I would say a triple top happened here, and it fell heavily. Similar to what's going on here. Triple tops are not good. That has happened to us on Neo before, and stay away from triple tops. And as you can see, ouch, man, $1,700. You could have bought. I hope you didn't buy Shop at $1,758 in November of last year, because if you bought it then, you bought it at the top. It's been crashing ever since. It made an attempt back in March to make a recovery, but nah, that didn't work out well. So yeah, just looking at the candlesticks, just looking at the charts right now, that's what I see. I would say wait, but not financial advice. This is just coming from Double O. That said though, let's go ahead and look at some indicators to see how things are going. I would say, without even looking at the charts yet, that yep, it's inverted. So what you see here is an inverted exponential moving average. We use the 20, 50, 100, and 200 exponential moving average. This is a calculation of all the previous prices, and it gives you like a little line of, you know, where the price is compared to all those other dates. This is for long-term investment, but if you wanted to do a short-term investment, you will break it down to a 9, 15, or 30 days, on 10, 15, or 20 or 30 days to swing trade. Some people even use slower numbers for day trading, but you know, we are long-term investors, so we're not jumping in and jumping out every day. Taxes are no fun. That said though, the price is below the 20-day moving average. This is usually good. You know, anything below the 200-day moving average is a good time to buy. But we still think this baby is gonna crash. Looking at the TTM squeeze though, it's looking like it wants to squeeze up, but I will not let that confuse me because there have been times when the TTM is squeezing up and the price went back down. As you can see here, squeezing up, but the price wasn't going anywhere. So you don't rely too much on the TTM squeeze, although it sometimes is super helpful. Let's go ahead and look at other indicators. At this point, I would say we'll turn on the Fibonacci, Fiba. And as you can see, ooh, that's a little tight space to work with there, guys. It's pretty tight. Let's see what's going on with the fibs. With the fibs, can you guys see my screen? Let me bring my beautiful face back. Hey y'all, I'm still here, but let's go straight back to the fibs. Alright, fibs. Boom, exactly what was. This is what the fibs do. If you were day trading, you want to just follow the price action between the 0 fib and the 1 fib. Price actions tend to fly around that range and then sometimes go parabolic in either direction. As I saw here, that was that move out of the 0 for the 1. Failed the 1, did not go parabolic, did not go to 1.618, and fell right back down to the 0. Made another attempt, crossed the 1.618, but failed at the 0.786. Once that fails, and it's at 0.382 at the current price, the price at the 0.382 Fibonacci level, there's a big probability that we're going to see the 0 fib sometime soon. So back down to 319 price range. That is not good news. Looking at the exponential moving average though, it looks like the curves are curving back, but that's not enough information to, just looking at curves. You can't just make decisions of curves. Curves can change direction anytime soon. So I would say not looking good for shop, man. Everything is bearish, man. Everybody's just, well, I guess if you're thinking long term, this is a good time to buy cheap. Not financial advice, but cheaper, the cheaper the better. Let's go ahead and have the super trend line here. Just like I said, I wasn't planning. As a matter of fact, I've not seen this before I click this button. Just like I said, the price is coming right back down to the 0 Fibonacci level area. That's why you have that green line right there. And yellow, that's the next resistance level. It's even way below that. The red is even way below that. So like I said, things are not looking too good for Shopify. Not good at all. 00 said it. I might be wrong, but hey, that's what it's showing. I'm not going against the numbers this time around. Let's go ahead and look at the super trend moving averages. It's facing down anyways. What are we gonna do? Let's see if we have a triple bottom going on here. We have no triple bottoms. Do we have a double bottom? Those two guys here right there should be a double bottom. Those double bottoms. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. Let's see, what other can I put on here? Yeah, let's go ahead and look at what's going on with Shopify on a different time zone though. So this is the daily chart on the left. This is the 15 minutes, and here's the 30 minutes. This is for those that are swing trading, by the way. It's just showing one day. It should be 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and change that to 30 minutes. Alright, so looking at the 30 minutes charts for this baby right here. Come on, let's go. Golly. This lines are super small. Super small. It's almost like you have no space to work with. Again, the green dot is at the bottom. It's going back to the 1 Fibonacci level way down there. So yeah, looking at the 15 and 30 minutes, yeah, shop is losing momentum to the upside. It looks like it's gonna come back down. If it does go up on the 15 minutes, if it does go up on the 15 minutes, you can probably get it for like $364. But right now it's looking to be pushing back down. What else should I be looking at for sure? That's basically it. The split is coming. Split might even allow you to get it even cheaper. I have shop on my portfolio. I will be adding more to my shop portfolio at a cheaper price. So I think I'm gonna wait before I buy more shop. I recently did one on Amazon. I have Amazon in my ETF, but I think I might be able to get Amazon a little bit cheaper too as well. Everything is just pushing downwards, man. It's sad, but if you're a long-term investor, you should be super happy because Warren Buffett to say these are the times when millionaires are made. So best of luck to you guys, and look forward to seeing Shop tokenized in the digital space. Thanks, y'all. Have a wonderful time.